How to make the time random effect. Today's video is sponsored by Dr. Strange. Right-click to your clip, make it a new Fusion clip, and open the Fusion page. Bring a time machine node into your flow. For this you're gonna need to install the reactor plugin, and activate the time machine tool. Set the mode to random. Activate the force target box. Set the starting and ending frames where you want to apply the effect. Change the before time and after time to do nothing. Right-click to the source start frame, and select expression. Write down in the box, time/1.4. Right-click to the source end frame, and select expression. Write down in the box, time*1.1. Bring a motion blur node after the time machine. Set the motion blur to 80, and you are ready. As it seems, YouTube doesn't like my content, so if you can comment and like this video, to boost up the algorithm, I will really appreciate it. Or, I can switch to 15 minutes long videos, and mumble about my incredible personality. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, I will send you back to time.